First, unplug the air supply. Then, open the front door of the machine, and start by loosening the 2 bolts that hold the end trimmer dust port. Once done, remove the front bolt along with the dust port. Open the back door of the machine. Lift the end trimmer motor carefully, and place a support underneath it to keep it steady. Turn the blades until you see the insertion hole. Insert an Allen wrench into the hole to hold it in place. Then, take a 10mm wrench and turn clockwise to loosen, since this bolt is reverse thread. Apply some pressure, and once it's loosened, turn the bolt to the right to completely remove it along with the bracket. Set these aside. Gently remove the first blade. Be cautious to avoid any accidental injuries. To take out the middle bracket, begin by removing the Allen wrench you used earlier, then simply pull it out and set it aside. Now, proceed to remove the second blade. Carefully twist it out and then slide it away. It's time to install the new blades. Start by installing the first blade. Mount it on the arbor and ensure that the blade's teeth are facing upwards. Align the hole in the spindle upwards so it's visible. Place the centerpiece back, ensuring it aligns with the hole. Reinsert the Allen wrench into the hole to hold everything in place. Move on to the second blade. Mount it on the arbor, ensuring its teeth are facing upwards as well. Reinstall the bracket with the bolt to secure the blades. Hold the Allen wrench down and turn the bolt counterclockwise to tighten. Then, use the wrench to tighten it further, ensuring it's not overly tight. At the back of the machine, lift the motor again, remove the support, and let it descend back into position. Lastly, raise the washer on the back bolt you loosened, and reattach the dust port at the same time. Once connected, add the front bolt and secure it in place with an Allen wrench. As you tighten it, ensure the metal part of the dust collector port is centered between the 2 blades, without touching them. All done.